Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren Miller and happy almost Halloween. Today I've recreated the bullet wound by Karolina Maria. To start, I went in with my homemade scar wax and began rolling out a small ball and placing it in between my eyebrows. To make the scar wax smoother, I used some skincare oil and put a little bit of the oil on my fingers when rubbing out the wax. Forming the wound is what took the most time, but you want to make sure everything is smooth and blended evenly with your own skin. Also, if you want to know how I created the homemade scar wax, leave a comment below and I'll create a video on it. I then took the back end of tweezers and made a hole where the wound would appear. You can make the wound as large as you'd like, but I made it about the size of my fingertip. I then went in with Ben Nye's grease paint in the shades Misty Violet and Fresh Cut and began dabbing it around the hole to enhance the color and bruising. Next, I used Ben Nye's Thick Blood and took about a dime size of the product and placed it inside the wound. To finish the look, I took Ben Nye's Stage Blood and dabbed on some of the blood with a stippling sponge. And then I took a Q-tip and created one large drip from the wound. And that is the final steps to this easy bullet wound tutorial. Let me know what you guys want me to create next, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers and I am so excited and I love all of you guys so much. I'll see you next week.